these are actually all tips inspired by my home in the desert. So if we can get a picture of the living room before. That's the living room before. It was cute.
It was not too bad, actually.
It was not too bad. That sofa was kind of gross.
Okay, calm it down.
So that's original.
Yes.
So what we did, and you'll see the after in a minute, is we had these beautiful baskets hand woven in Tunisia.
Yeah, I love baskets as all sorts of objet
and
d'art,
so we did
right?
about 13 of them in that one space, and you don't have to get them hand woven in Tunisia to find something cool. You can go to Target, you can go to Home Goods, Amazon, thrift stores,
the garden
anywhere.
store, the hardware store in my community, upstate.
And you can get a really cool look for very little. So what I did is get this basket, and this one actually I think is like a laundry basket even. And you get one of these light kits, which you can get these on Amazon, you can get them at Target, you can get them at IKEA. You take the cord off.
Again, my hardware store. It's a big deal for us in upstate New York. Hi, Ace.
So just put it through whatever little crevice you can find, so that way normally you won't have to cut through anything.
Gotcha.
And you just do it like
It's
that,
kind
and you
of
put the
ta-da.
bulb, and it's perfect because then you've got this cute little number here.
And look at that.
And that's the after. And we created them in different sizes, and we hung them in varying heights, so that way they really create drama.
Yeah, you know, that's another great tip. Don't skip over a great tip. I love the variegation of height on a dinner table or from your ceiling.
Yep.
Any direction in the room you want to go, variegating heights is
They always say less is more, but when you're doing something like that, more is more.
More is more.
So when you're using the same object and repeating it, do it in multiples, because that's what creates a drama. Because this, you know, this is cute, but it's kind of by itself. It's when you do multiple.
Sad. It needs buddies.
Yeah, imagine 6 of these in different heights in one room. That's what really creates a drama, and it's super inexpensive to do so.
Awesome.
Yeah.